This is a reminder that utility specifications do matter. This site is in the National Grid area and the water is also supplied by Severn Trent Water. The specifications for those two organisations are different to the specifications of Northern Powergrid and Yorkshire Water, for example. Severn Trent, for example, require mechanical stop ends on the end of the service pipe. They'll also need to carry out an inspection before they connect. In Yorkshire Water's area, taping the ends of the pipe is acceptable and they don't carry out an inspection. In Northern Powergrid's area, you'll get a single phase meter in a single phase meter box. In National Grid's area, you'll get a single phase service from a three-phase cutout in a three-phase meter box. There are occasions where the ducting is different and the marker tape is certainly different. Northern Powergrid actually says Northern Powergrid's on it. National Grid says electricity on it. So be aware that you must use the correct specification materials, otherwise the connection has the potential to be aborted. And if it's aborted, ultimately it means delay for you because you go back into a queue for planning to be realised.